So I open Microsoft Word in my Windows computer and I type A. So this is a small letter A, and suppose if you want to find the S code or the Alt+S code of this alphabet, and this is a small letter or a lowercase letter, and the simple method is you must press these two keys. This is the Alt key and this is the S key. So if you press these two keys at the same time, then you can see that 0061, this is the Alt+S code. So after typing 0061, if you press these two keys, then you can see that it will be the small letter A. Okay, I'll show you one more. I simply select a letter K, and if you want to find the Alt+S code, you must simply press these two keys, Alt key and S key. Then you can see it is 006B. You can check any letters, select the S, and so this small letter S. Again I'm going to press these two keys at the same time, then this is 0073. that will be the result. Okay, and then you can try the letter R, small letter R. Then you type this, press these two keys, then you can see 0072, or even you can small letter M. Again I'm going to press these two keys, Alt key and S key, 006D. So in this method we can find. Hope this video helps you. For more videos, subscribe. Thank you.